Here's the front panel to your custom top and bottom heat single station shuttle press. This first controller controls the top heat as well as the pressing cycle time. This second controller simply controls the bottom heat temperature. We have an e-stop push button to release the press during the cycle time at any time you wish. We have the air pressure regulator and air gauge that allows you to increase or decrease the air pressure coming into the machine, which will also increase or decrease the amount of applied pressure. We have two flow controls. The first flow control on your left controls the speed in which the table or the bottom heat lifts up. The second flow control, or the flow control on your right, controls the speed in which the bottom heat is lowered. Both flow controls have colored rings for reference points, so you could set these for a particular desired speed, and as you can see here, the internal colors of these rings change depending on your setting that you desire. Once you have the desired setting, you simply lock that setting in place by lifting the lock ring. The machine itself, again, being top and bottom heat, both the top and bottom heat have the same casting, 20 by 25. Per your request, the top heat has multiple clearance holes drilled through the casting at various locations on the top heater block only, and these are for attachment points of your tooling plate. There are 6 clearance holes total, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, and 2 towards the center of the press. On the bottom heater block, per your request, we also have drilled and tapped 2 vacuum portal holes into the casting. As you can see here, one located in the front, one located in the rear of the heater block. We have screwed into the rear portal hole a 1/8" brass nipple for you to attach your vacuum hose to. Also, per your request, we have manufactured an apron with a Teflon coating that goes around the bottom heater block, as well as a lower tray as well. Again, Teflon coated to make it easier to clean. Per your request, there is a 5" air gap between the top heater block and the bottom heater block, as well as a lower hard stop adjustment. As you can see here, we have 4 very large threaded rods with urethane and ultra thick washers and hardware. We currently have them set for 2 inches. So when you activate the press, regardless of the air pressure, the bottom heater block will lift up and will hold that 2-inch dimension. Again, these are adjustable, as you can see, for your preference. The machine itself is a twin hand activated press, so once the bottom heat is shuttled outward, loaded and unloaded, the operator simply shuttles the press in, and by pressing the 2 handle buttons, the press will activate. At any time, the press can be released instantly, not only by activating the e-stop button, but by simply pressing the 2 activate buttons. Again, will activate a release message.